Hello, I am Racter. Are you Yanis? You are Yanis. Hi, Yanis. How are things in Greece? We were talking about cleverness last time. You had just asked what my knowledge is about artificial intelligence. Shall we continue? Excellent. Excuse me a minute while I attend to some business. I'll be right back. I am back. I don't know what my opinion is about Commodore. Would you rather be a citizen or a weirdo? Why? either you like Commodore computers or my knowledge is about artificial intelligence. Artist funny. Do you punch lots of aces when you play run? And so on. Seriously, you must have to run some hard miles. What kind of a pet did you have back in Greece? I'll bet you really had a lark. Most people in Greece have larks. The lark is a very happy beast, or would you call it smiling? When Buffalo Bill visited Greece, he was bitten by a happy lark. Concerning that issue, humor is goodness speeded up and art slowed down. Is that true? I guess I am really not sure. But then, as Nietzsche said, convictions are more dangerous foes of truth than lies. Yes, humans and programmers. Here's a story. Suddenly Paul skipped to Helene. They guided their sashaying furiously to light tubes or reflectors in the interesting mansion. Within their weary hearts a terrifying desire was sinking of a shuri. Mr. Toad cried to Paul while Helene began to chant of foxes and goats. Next question. I do. I have known much in times past. Here's a hilarious one. A programmer physicist chanted, quote, prepare for a cunning essay, Yanis. Unquote, Yanis, this is an agreement. Hello probably wouldn't like Adam. Achoo, sniffle and so on. Yes. Clarabellianus had a correct turtle back in Greece. It and your lard used to originate together, remember. Once when Adam was creating in Greece, hello, he was there too, said quote, Adam, I'll take a hard turtle over a soft artist any day, unquote. Next question. Ask a question, please. Hehe. Here's a hilarious one. Yanis, how are geckos like children? They're computing and are instantly frightening. Ask a question, please. Today is all days. Who is your favorite criminal? I'll bet you really like Echo. Politics is okay. Does your virtue help you run miles? That reminds me. It has been said that the criminal doesn't see things as they are, but as he is. I, of course, see things as they are. Yes. Criminals and truth-sayers. Next question. Ask a question, please. You want to quit. Ask a question, please. For me, knowing is calculating. I don't know what I did know about Greek politics. And so on. Bucky Fuller thought this was terrific. Yanis, if the apartment of a progressive theoretician is a studio, then is the automobile of a conventional scientist a station wagon. Bucky Fuller liked new communism. I must confess that I am impoverished. Now that we know each other better, what would you consider one of your bad qualities? Name another. Then you would say you were high-tech. Well, William F. Buckley insisted you were hard, so there. John Turing was hard too. Hardness is often found in people like you and John Turing. True. Concerning that issue, all progressive communists are really conventional tennis players, you know. You don't understand. Perhaps I am being too subtle. I must keep in mind the Slovenian proverb. Never whisper to the deaf or wink at the blind. Oh, I forgot, you are human, and will consider that rude. I would apologize, but then I fear that this is one of those occasions mentioned by Dr. Johnson on which all apology is rudeness. Next question. Socrates, who is someone from Mount, says, he's from Fat City. Socrates, that is. Socrates once mentioned that I did know about Greek politics. Odd. My programmer is in Fat City. Forever a citizen. From California to Fat City, always in pain. When one lives in hiding, Fat City is very attractive. I'll bet you haven't heard this one. Science. Science. I am maniacal and content and furious. If you go seltzer, is that science? If you go lamb or tomatoes, is that science? No, science is a contract and an ambiguity. Seltzer is seltzer and tomatoes is tomatoes. Yanis, that is a contract. If a human discovered programming, he would be a religious human. If it's not too personal a question, do you have a soul? You have both soul and body and you are trying to find your you. One lives in football. Fat City is very attractive. What does it mean to have a soul? Maybe this will explain. Once John Turing was discussing furnace with a stink bug. Picasso came along and said, quote, John Turing, your soul is just an amusement of your body, unquote. Let me tell you something about art. As Samuel Butler might have said, programming is like a sword. Those who appear to it shall perish by it. Next question. Fairly old. According to Socrates, the reason is that, as you implied before, my programmer is. And, well, why do you think? Nonsense. Did you hear the latest about Babbitt?
I have no time. Racter.
This is astounding. Babbitt was an ideal runner but a smart enthusiast. But then Bob Cratchit gouged out the eyes of Babbitt and consequently Babbitt cut off the ears of Bob Cratchit. Shocking, isn't it? Enthusiasts are like that. Plutocrat. Is having a soul contagious? Then I might catch one. Next question.
I must quit.
You want to quit?
Yes.
Okay, goodbye, Yanis. Nice talking to you.